Welcome back to Thunder Kids. Today we got our new packages from the Kiwico and the koala. Today we're gonna find out what are we doing for today. Let's open it up. They're doing our stuff.
Hour later.
I'm going to put the coins and you're going to try and let's see if you can see them. Mommy. 3, 2, Mommy, I ran up. Mommy. 3, 2, Mommy. 1. I think, Mommy.
Yeah?
I went out.
Show us, right?
Mommy. I went out of tiny sugar things. If you don't, comment down below if you don't see anything.
What do you think it is?
I have no idea. Mommy, do you guys hear that? Mommy, can I put this? It's real magic.
Show them where the coins.
Everybody, it didn't just slide.
They can't see it. Get it out. It was where?
It was on the. It was inside the box the whole entire time.
In the mirror.
Those animals,
The puppet.
the puppet finger animals, and I have 4. And I also made this farm, and I also made this.
Hey. Ryan, show us what you have.
I made the goggles,
The mirror goggles.
and I made the magic box.
Yeah.
I made this with these also with these, this with this, and I also made the puzzle, which is already ruining it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. Make sure you love the video every time we upload. Goodbye.